Nowadays, simply attending classes and acing exams is not enough. Most computer science students have a completely empty resume, yet they expect to earn a six-figure income when they graduate. What if I told you that there is a gold mine right under your nose that has the potential to completely change your future? In today's video, we'll explore the 6 golden opportunities every CS student should seize during their degree. Stick around until the end to find out the most crucial one. First on our list is becoming a teaching assistant or a tutor. Now I know some of you might think, why would I want to teach when I'm here to learn? But trust me, by taking on a TA role or tutoring, you're reinforcing your knowledge and you're getting a better grasp of the fundamental concepts. Richard Feynman, a Nobel Prize winning physicist, said that the best way to learn something is to teach it. Because in order to teach it, you have to simplify complex concepts, which means you actually have to understand them. Reinforcing and mastering these fundamental concepts will prove very useful for future classes, because you'll already have a strong base build-up. Most importantly, becoming a TA or a tutor will allow you to develop problem-solving, communication, and leadership skills, which are very sought after by employers. And even better if your university pays its TAs, because not only are you learning, but you're also earning. Next up on our list is research experience. Universities are basically massive research centers, with many professors eager to dive deep into various niches of computer science. But they can't do it alone. And that's where you come in. Participating in research projects exposes you to the cutting-edge advancements in computer science and in technology. It offers you practical experience where you'll get the chance to learn some pretty cool stuff. Most importantly, it gives you the chance to work closely with your professors, which is awesome because you get to build up an actual relationship with them. You never know. The professor might know somebody who is searching for new graduates or interns, and they might be able to refer you to the job simply by virtue of working with you. Of course, if you want to go into academia or get into grad school, research experience is king. Because running experiments and writing scientific papers is what the academic life is all about. Even if you have absolutely no interest into academia and you just want a software engineering job, research experience is a great way to build up your resume and to make connections. Speaking of connections, networking events is where you make them. University is a golden opportunity for networking. Beyond classes and labs, campuses are filled with seminars, tech talks, and workshops. By attending these events, you're not just absorbing knowledge and learning new things, which can prove to be very useful, but you're also meeting potential mentors, employers, and future colleagues. Building these professional relationships early on can give you an edge in job referrals, or even just career guidance and insights. And most importantly, networking events are a great chance to practice your soft skills, which are severely underrated in computer science. Software development is collaborative by nature because you do not build amazing software alone. In fact, developers often interact with clients, stakeholders, and non-technical team members, which is why the ability to communicate your thoughts clearly is so important. Remember, in the tech world, it's not just what you know, but it's who you know. And these networking events lay down the foundation for a solid professional network. Alright, moving on. University isn't just about grinding. It's also about joining clubs, organizations, and having fun. There are clubs for literally everyone. Technical, non-technical, coding related or not, clubs are a fantastic way of meeting new people. My advice is to join at least one technical club. Whether it's a design team or a coding club, they all need software engineers, even if you're a beginner. It's an amazing opportunity to apply what you've learned in class on real projects. If you want to take it further and you want to compete, join hackathons. You get the chance to build up an awesome project with friends or even complete strangers for a few days. It's a nice break from all of the classes, homeworks, and exams. It's a great opportunity to improve your coding skills and to have a project to put on your resume. Most of the projects that computer science students have on their resume are class projects, and employers can see that. As such, participating in a few hackathons and getting a few projects under your belt is a fantastic way to prove your worth to an employer. There are also big prizes for the winners, ranging from new laptops, gift cards, or even interview slots with some of the sponsoring companies. Even if you don't win, the experience is amazing, but the best thing about hackathons by far, the free food. If there is one thing every student should do during their CS degree, it's internships. Now, I can't stress this enough. Practical experience is king. While the theoretical knowledge you gain from lectures, textbooks, and exams is very important, There's a distinct difference between what you learn in the classroom and real software development. Getting an internship will allow you to develop your skills by allowing you to work with industry standard technologies and tools. And since you'll be working on real issues, you'll receive a lot of feedback on your code, which will help you understand the code quality that is expected in the industry. It's also a great chance to develop your soft skills because you will be in constant communication with your team, asking questions, clarifying tasks, even peer programming. You will have to learn how to communicate clearly and effectively, and to ask for help when you get stuck, which will happen quite often. You should also use this time to network with your team and your colleagues, because you never know where your next job is going to come from. Having an internship really makes your resume shine, because it is proof of your capability. It shows that you can apply the skills you've learned in school in a practical setting. Quite often, a successful internship isn't just a line on a resume, but it can be a bridge to a promising career after graduation. In fact, many companies that are impressed by the talent and dedication of their interns offer them full-time roles. Out of all the opportunities we talked about today, if there is one you should focus on, it's internships. So there we have it. College is clearly more than just lectures and exams. There are golden opportunities everywhere. By engaging in these activities, not only will you be enhancing your skills, but you'll be paving a path for your future. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you're interested in knowing where GPA fits in all of this, check this out.